Don't do any spray painting around unless I know about it.
Yep. Forgot this part. I want it to make it look nice and shiny. Some things I like to be looking nice and new, others old. Just depends on what I'm feeling like, but I want this to feel new, not old. Not really sure what to do with these weird things right here. Probably gonna be the best I can do right now. In case if you're wondering, I'm just trying to get this rusty screw less rusty. That's how much rust is on there. It's insane. I might actually need to replace this bolt screw thing, if I'm being honest. I should clean this part too. The mounting bracket. Scusi. Well, I think that is it for this video of part 1, cleaning this controller. Second part might be spray painting it or doing something, but you'll probably see in a few minutes. So yeah, if you do check out my channel, I do like to upload multiple videos at once, but right now this is what I have done. So yeah, I might actually charge my GoPro, so I'm gonna take a break now. Bye.